So this is going to be a quick rundown how to make artisan bread made with Polish. We're going to be mixing up the Polish tonight. What I have here is a double batch, and that consists of 1,000 grams of flour and 1,000 grams of water and a 1/4 teaspoon of yeast. Typically it's half of that batch, but I always make a double batch. So your typical is 500 flour, 500 water, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of yeast. So what I'm going to do now is add the 1,000 grams of water and get ready to mix this up. And I'm just using a basic little food scale here that has a grams measure on it. And just about to 1,000. Yeah, gram or two over. Doesn't hurt too much. All right, and now we just mix it up real quick. Recording again. So this is what the finished product should kind of look like. Pretty wet, pretty sloppy. And we let this sit for about 12 to 14 hours. If you want to let it sit a little bit longer than that, you can just keep it stored in a cool place. Like if you have a basement or a cellar or something like that, you can get a couple more hours out of it. Otherwise, at typical room temperature, about 68 to 70 degrees, you want this to sit for about, like I said, about 12 to 14 hours, and it will at least double in size and get really bubbly and gassy and fermented, and that's what you're looking for. So we'll see you tomorrow in about 14 hours.